I'm sure your sky cams are also looking at a little bit more of the gray skies, or your traffic cameras, that is. I'm seeing it right now out of my next weather sphere window. So we are waking up to some of that marine influence. Here's a look at where we're seeing it this morning, but not everywhere under gray conditions. In fact, some of our valleys under cloud-free conditions. Same thing with the Inland Empire. But this is where we're seeing some of the patchy low clouds and fog. And at sometimes we're looking at some dense conditions, some patchy dense fog. So just be aware of that. Otherwise, we're looking at it from the coast, pushing a little bit more inland toward areas like downtown LA. We do have some clouds over Long Beach, Santa Ana, Anaheim, even pushing into Yorba Linda, but you can see it kind of ends once you get past Yorba Linda. So Ontario is under cloud-free skies. And then for Orange County, we're also looking at the clouds banked up to some of our foothill communities right along the Santa Ana Mountains. As we head into the rest of the day, though, today, don't worry, the clouds will gradually start to clear as we head into the next few hours. So we're looking at plenty of sunshine and much warmer conditions. Because of the cloud cover. Temperatures this morning a little bit warmer than this time yesterday. We're looking at temperatures in the upper 50s still to start off this Friday for downtown LA, low 60s for Santa Ana, 56 for Burbank. And then here's a look at what I'm talking about. So we're up by at least anywhere from 3 to 6 degrees from the coast all the way to some of our metro areas. So definitely a little bit warmer this morning, but again, it will warm up even more as we head toward the afternoon because we have a high pressure system building in. Look at our highs this afternoon. We're looking at a lot more of the 70s and 80s versus 60s and 70s that we saw the last couple of days. 77 will be the high for Camarillo, 85 for Van Nuys. We have mid 80s for the Inland Empire like Chino, Riverside, San Bernardino, 80s for the Fullerton area, and we have mid 70s for LAX. We also have bigger than normal waves right now. So if you plan on heading to the coast today to try and beat the heat inland, just know that some of the waves are going to be bigger than normal, especially for LA and Ventura County. So that's that high surf advisory until later today. And then in Orange County, we don't have a high surf advisory, but we do have elevated surf. So we have a beach hazard statement, and all these areas from Ventura County down to Orange County and even into San Diego County, where we do have life-threatening rip currents very possible. So just, again, be aware if you head to the beaches today. High pressure, though, will continue to warm us up, dry us out even more. In fact, Sunday and Monday could be the warmest days of the next 7. And then as we look ahead to next week, we have that rain chance increasing. So there is a lot going on over the course of the next 7 days. We're warming up, then we're cooling down, and then that rain chance likely to increase. And we're looking at anywhere from moderate to heavy rain Thursday into Friday. So that's something we'll continue to monitor. Look at these highs, 81 for LA and Orange County. This is why Sunday, Monday could be the warmest, because we're looking at temperatures topping out in the low 90s. We'll continue to stay warmer than normal for Veterans Day Tuesday, but you can see temperatures begin to drop. And then once we head into Wednesday and Thursday, we're looking at those temperatures tumbling back down into the 70s. And then the best rain chance will probably be Thursday and Friday of next week. For the valleys, 85 today, low 90s also for Sunday and Monday. We'll continue to stay toasty for Veterans Day Tuesday. And then by next Thursday, you can see temperatures get back down into the mid 70s. For the Inland Empire, 86 today, low 90s also by the end of the weekend, spilling into the start of next week. 87 as we head into Veterans Day Tuesday. And then you can see temperatures are also dropping to the upper 70s as we head into Thursday. So the best chance for some showers, some rain will be Thursday and Friday. As we get a little bit closer to next week, we'll continue to watch computer models and we'll let you know the timing of when it exactly will arrive and how much rain we're expecting. All right, Kalina, back to you.
All right, Amber, thank you.